Hi everyone! Today I'm showing you how to make the most unbelievable recipe made from 4 ingredients a man should try. Let us watch the preparation process. First, you will need to get butternut pumpkin. Prepare as shown in the step-by-step preparation process. Boil butternut pumpkin for 7 minutes. Peel 1 medium-sized carrot. Cut the carrot into pieces. Add 2 to 5 tablespoons of raw honey. You will also need a piece of watermelon. Do not remove the seeds. Grinding together. Eat 1 cup twice a day for 3 to 4 weeks. Wait for the results in the next month after using it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.